now that your weapon is out,
Yeah.
okay, and you're facing me, the safest and easiest way to solve this would be via a stop hit or i.e. a countercut. In Filipino, they would call this defanning the snake.
Defending the snake.
Yes, essentially cutting the snake's head off.
Oh, the head, yeah.
Cutting the head off. Okay, this is the snake.
Okay.
Okay, it's coming at you. Okay, as such.
Oh, okay.
Now, don't worry about numbers. You know the numbers.
Yeah.
You know, be in the lines of 1, 2,
Yeah.
8, and 9.
Mm-hmm.
The thing that's going to make this thing work is the ability to void
Yeah.
and cut at the same time.
Yeah.
So to move back and cut, to move back and cut,
Yeah.
or any of that. Okay. You also have your void, so you don't have to do it immediately.
Of course.
Use the weapon and the fear factor of the weapon to keep you back.
Okay.
And when I come on attack, use range, take your time, and when you're ready, you start to find the let's go. Very good. Okay, let's just slow something down. Just for camera. Okay, so what's actually happening? Why this succeeds? I want Roger's going to first show a mistake. You see, if he stepped forward to cut my arm, the problem is he might cut it, but it's still going to come forward. Okay? And this is where it's very important. In defense, no, you aren't going forward all the time. He has to void his top half, and as he does that, put the blade in between the cut. And he needs to know that it requires him not to be hitting his arm and to be trying to stab his body or head, and it will be perfect. Let's do a few of those. Good. Good. Making sense, okay? That is how you have the timing if your space is right. So you have to have the space correct to have the timing, and then a weapon that's going to produce significant force, such as a knife, but it could also be a bat. Making sense? Okay, one more time, let's go. Very, very good. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to add a boxing terminology, make me miss and make me pay.
Yeah.
Basically, after I have missed you with my knife, there will be an opportunity to get me. I'm going to stab, into the face.
Okay.
Essentially, it's a hit that's going to stop me. Okay? Like all others. Okay? Again, you're going to wait, you're going to see, you're going to take your time, and then you can play both now.
Okay.
I am playing a zombie, meaning if he cuts my hand or hits my face, I just keep attacking because he needs to feel that pressure. Okay. Even with a helmet, it's not so pleasant. Okay. There is your level 1 long range tactics. Okay. And we need to put it all together now. Okay. Somehow Roger has to get this weapon into his hand. Okay. So we're just going to take it from the perspective that he has it in the back, the point like that. I'm going to come into his close range. He's going to stop me with the C grip. We're going to have an altercation. He's going to notice that I'm going for the weapon. He's not going to try and attach himself, guys, because that range is the range you die, in that clench and push range, okay? He's going to push me away to break distance so he can deploy the weapon, and then we're going to get to it like we didn't. Okay, so it's like this. Give me a second. Hey, what's up? Hey, man. Hey, chill out. What's up? Right, I think you're smart. You don't want these, you don't want these. That's it. Cut the hand. Good. Cut the hand. That's it. Carry the block instead. Good. Use the other hand. Block counter. Block counter. Stop. Oi, good. I'm going to break that void range. He's going to be forced to block and counter. Let's go. Yes, yes. Very good, very good. That one was very nice.
Perfect.
Let's rest. Let's go. Remember, when you get cornered like that,
Yeah.
you're forced to block.
Yeah.
Either on this side or this side. That was beautiful. Yeah.